In an effort to dismiss any confusion pertaining to the make and design of the ballot papers, the IEC says contestants will be identified through their registered name, the abbreviated name of the party, the emblem and the picture of the party leader.
The face of the party on the ballot paper in respect of MK Party will be that of Mr. Jacob Zuma, because the party has given us a notice that it has changed its leadership structure. Mr. Khumalo is no longer the party leader, Mr. Zuma is the party leader. In respect of the IFP, while the face of their campaign remains Chief Mangosuthu Buthelezi, the leader of the party is Mr. Hlabisa, and for that reason, only the photograph of Mr. Hlabisa will appear on the ballot paper.
Addressing another elephant in the room, the Electoral Commission says its appeal at the Constitutional Court is merely to seek legal clarity on the Electoral Court's order that Zuma can contest the upcoming elections. Last week, the court overturned the IEC's decision to bar Zuma from standing as a candidate based on his 2021 contempt of court sentence. The Electoral Commission has approached the Apex Court on an urgent basis to enable it to understand various issues, even as it will be putting the former president's picture as the leader of the MK Party on the ballot.
We have orders in this case, and on the basis of those orders, we think that there's a need for clarity on a number of issues. One, did the Commission go beyond its scope of authority in invoking Section 47(1)(e)? We have no clarity as a country on that aspect at the moment. Two, did Commissioner Love prejudge the issue to the extent that she ought to have recused herself? We don't know whether the statement that he made in response to a media question did in fact constitute prejudging the issue. Does remission of sentence amount to the reduction of the sentence as ordered by a court of law? We don't know. So those questions have to be answered for the clarity of everybody in respect of the immediate case, but also in respect of future elections.
Meanwhile, applications for special votes are now open.
Applications for special votes for purposes of home visits and voting station visits opened yesterday, the 15th of April, and will close on the 3rd of May. Home visits are intended for those voters who are unable to travel to voting stations, while special votes at voting stations are for everyone who is unable to be at the voting station on election day. Special voting will be conducted on the 2 days preceding election day, which is the 27th and 28th of May.
Applications for special votes can be accessed on the IEC's website. Alternatively, you can send your identity number to 32249 or visit your local IEC office. The IEC says the printing of the ballot papers is imminent once the number of challenges in the Electoral Court have been determined. For SABC News, I'm Natasha Piri in Centurion.